As you can see, officials communicating. So as you may be aware, there would have been several interceptions since last week, resulting in now just over 1,000 migrants being apprehended. Eyewitness News understands that as late as Wednesday past, an additional 137 Haitian migrants have been apprehended and subsequently expected to be brought here to Inagua for processing and of course to be repatriated. We're now looking at a situation of a few hundred illegal migrants that officials are hoping to repatriate as of today. Now we know that the repatriation exercise was expected to begin as of yesterday, but according to officials, there was some technical difficulties that was intimated by Haiti's government with its main airport. This obviously preventing the country from beginning its repatriation exercise as of yesterday. But according to Minister of Immigration Keith Bell, he noted that once the government in Haiti is able